right, the court is calling 2026 CR 0035541 and 2026 CR 000476, State versus Robert Odoms. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state.
And Jonathan Alvarado for the defense.
And you're Mr. Odoms? All right, the court had an opportunity to review state's exhibit number 3, which was a jail call. All right, Mr. Odoms, you have a choice. These are your choices. There are no other choices. These are your only choices. One, I can grant your application, and I'll grant you an application for deferred adjudication. What does that mean? That means that if for any reason a motion to revoke is filed, and if it is proven to be true, whatever allegations are in the motion, you're looking up to, let me see if they went on the.
We went on the 3rd, Your Honor.
All right. You're looking at up to 10 years in the prison. Do you understand? And a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So if I continue you, it appears that he needs to be placed in custody and go to inpatient treatment with DDRF.
And Judge, I will note, I've had that discussion with my client because in the PSI, they did the mental health evaluation and they actually didn't recommend it. I talked to my client about it and he said, hey, I'm willing to go to inpatient treatment. And
oh, no, he needs inpatient.
And we agree, Judge. And so he is, I'll let Robert speak for himself, but he is definitely willing to do that. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Probation. I know that they're saying that they don't recommend this, but I don't know if they have the information that I received through testimony. So if I order it, will they place him in the program?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Thank you.
Is this the exhibits that we had the other day? Because I think I put the wrong person's name on here. Was he the one that had?
All right.
Yes.
We're going to proceed on 2026 CR 003541. All right. In that cause number, this is what the state will do. The court is going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs. Proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no residing in households with minors. There will be partial GPS upon release. Waive GPS fees. And the partial GPS will be until further notice. And it is partial for any medical appointments. And if he provides proof of employment, then that may be adjusted.
Okay, Judge.
This will run concurrent with 2026 CR 000476. State is taking consideration 2025 CC 015702 and 2025 CC 015706. There's to be field visits 1 time per month until further notice upon release from custody. He is to remain in custody for transfer to DDRF. And that's to be followed by the mental health initiative. I'm not going to order community service hours because I think that the main issue that needs to be addressed is your client's mental health and staying on his medication.
Yes, Judge.
Probation. Is there anything else with regards to that case?
No. Oh, ma'am.
All right. In that cause number, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Guess it's plea bargain agreement because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand?
Yes, sir.
And I'm sorry, probation, there's to be no possession of firearms
Okay, Jared.
or ammunition.
That's right. And Your Honor, can there be a no contact order with the complainant?
Those are involving deputies at the jail.
Oh, no, on the.
Oh, I haven't got to that yet.
Thank you.
Sure,
Judge.
no problem.
That's what we were wondering.
All right.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, the court is calling 2020, the court is now, proceeding in 2026 CR 000476. So in that cause number, eight years deferred adjudication, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs, proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider with minors, no residing in households with minors, partial GPS upon release, waive fees, and there's to be GPS until further notice. And the partial is for medical appointments. This will run concurrently with 2026 CR 003541, taking consideration 2025 CC 15702, 2025 CC 015706. There's to be field visits one time per month until further notice. And those are to begin upon release. He's to remain in custody for transfer to DDRF, followed by the mental health initiative, no possession of firearm or ammunition. There's an affirmative finding of family violence. There's to be no contact with. And I'm going to request, in that cause number, I'm going to request the BIPP course. And there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court?
Okay.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it's plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is an affirmative finding of family violence, there's to be no possession of any firearms or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So here's the thing. She doesn't want you. Do you understand?
Yes.
Do not call her. Whatever issues you have unresolved, or you feel like you can give her flowers or send her a card and maybe she'll take you back, it's not happening. She doesn't want you. Don't call her. Don't call her from the jail. Nobody wants a collect call anyway. Do you understand? If you violate any of these, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And in that cause number, you're looking up to 10 years in the prison. Do you understand? Is there anything you do not understand about the instructions that have been given to you?
Yes. Judge, I just want to make sure that the court is aware, and just in case, based on what was written in the TAP, they still say they don't want to accept him into DDRF, we will get a report back and let everyone know
All right. Thank you.
with reasoning.
Yes. Thank you. All right. And if for some reason DDRF still is not accepting them, hopefully they will understand that I have more
Right.
information than they had. If they don't accept him, he will not be released. Ms. Abrams, if for some reason he's not accepted, he's not to be released from custody, we will come back and I will make a decision on some other inpatient facility. All right.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.